Lesson 4: Saudi Arabia and the War. King Faisal International Prizes. Speaking and reading. Look at the picture. What is happening in the picture? In pairs, discuss the questions. What do people receive prizes for? What kind of people should receive them? Do you think? A man is being presented with a prize. Read the text quickly without looking at the words in the box. See if you can understand it without them. The King Faisal International Prizes. The King Faisal Foundation is a huge humanitarian foundation which here we have our box for our words that we can take. The King Faisal Foundation is a huge humanitarian foundation which was set up by King Faisal's sons in 1976. It does a lot of charitable work, and one of its aims is to recognize and reward people who have worked hard to improve humanity and society. These are men and women whose contributions make a positive difference. Prizes have been awarded, present perfect, have been, after we have past participle, have been awarded each year since 1979. Number 3. They space the King Faisal International Prizes. So our answer is are called, because we have they. They are called the King Faisal International Prizes and they go to outstanding people in a number of different areas of life. These prizes are for good work in the service to Islam, Islam studies, Arabic, language and literature, science and myths, money, space in the prize is included because we have money. We can say is included in the prizes. But they are not just money. The winners also receive a certificate and a gold medal. The certificate is special because it's handwritten in Diwani calligraphy, and the gold medals are also unique, as each one is made in a different way. Of course, there is also great prestige in winning these prizes, and all of them are presented to winners by the King of Saudi Arabia. When was the King Faisal Foundation set up? From our passage that we have already read, you can extract your answer. Yes, it was set up in 1976. What are the prizes called? King Faisal International Prizes. Listening and speaking. Look at the photograph. What do you think the boys are talking about? As for listening, track 28. Listen to the two boys talking about money. Make notes and complete the table. You will listen to the track in the file that I will attach in our folder. Musa and Nasser. Musa spends money on food and a computer. Nasser books and food. Savings in bank. Musa 100. Nasser 2000. Future spending. Musa family. Nasser family and charity. The last step, our lesson, is our grammar. Number 3, grammar builder, question tags. We can go now to the last part of our Unit 5 that we can take our grammar here. We're very lucky not to need money, aren't we? Question tag is consisted of two parts. The first part is our helping verb. The second part is our subject. Pronoun. Yes, here we have we are. So we can take are to be aren't, and we can put here we as a second part. So we're very lucky not to need money. It will be aren't we? This is my question tag. Next, looking after a family is a big responsibility. We have is here, so it will be isn't. And it comes from looking after a family. Instead of looking after a family, we can put it. Number 3. And you'd die if you didn't eat food. Wouldn't you? Wouldn't come from would. Here apostrophe D. It's would, so we can put wouldn't. And after we can put you. So in general, if you have here your helping verb are, is, would, positive affirmative state, it will be negative on our question tag, and after we can put our pronoun. Be careful with am. We say aren't I, not amn't I. For example, I'm lucky. Aren't I? So don't say amn't I. Special case. Now we have some examples. You didn't do your homework. Yes. You can answer? Yes. Hear you. Did you? Yes. Good. Next. She's been to Egypt. Hasn't he? They couldn't find the shop. Couldn't. It will be could. They. I don't look tired. Do I? Had go without you. Here we have apostrophe D, and after we have infinitive, it will be would. Yes, wouldn't he? We'll have time to do it. We have here will. It be will, won't, we. I'm a teacher. I am. Girl. Aren't I? Special case. You play tennis. Our answer will be, didn't you? Our teachers teach. Well, our teachers teach. Here we haven't any helping verb, but from here we can say, don't they? The last. Ali plays football well. As usual, we have plays. It will be doesn't he. To occur when you mention no need for my proper noun, and instead we can put our pronoun. Listening again, 29, the sentence and say the intonation. No answers here, but we want to know about intonations. Up or down concerning your question tag. So you can listen to this track and discover with yourself what about intonation, up or down. Why do you use the tag? What difference does it make to this sentence? We use question tags in different ways, depending on intonation. In these examples, intonation goes down at the end of the sentence. We speak with this pattern when we say something we feel the listener will agree with. It's not a real question asking for information. If the intonation goes up, we are showing some surprise at a situation. Now practice saying the sentence with intonation goes up and then down. Note the difference and think of the difference in meaning. You can also start with a positive verb and end with a negative tag. Writing is for you. Write question tag using following structures: present simple, past simple, present perfect, some old verbs, passive, conditional, Yes, you can do it. It's easy for you according to our grammatical rule we have already explained. Now the last part, speaking. Asking for repetition, clarification, or further information. We have a table and we have three parts. The first part, further information. If you want to ask for further information, you will say, so can you tell me a bit more about? Can you give me more? Here for further information. The second column, clarify, clarification. Please, more explanations. What exactly do you mean? Next, what do you mean when you say? The last column here we have repeat. Sorry, could you say that again? Sorry, I didn't catch that. To repeat your words, we have three columns, further information, clarify, repetition. Work in pairs, talk about a job you would like to do, and they ask for repetition, clarification, further information. Try to train, try to practice your communication skills. Thank you for you. This is the end of our Unit 5. Good luck.